This is case in point 4-4, and we're preparing the adjusted trial balance for Nathan's Donut School. So in the last video, we discussed the adjusting journal entries. And in our accounting cycle, after we prepare our adjusting journal entries, we're going to post them to our T accounts. So I've included all the T accounts we've talked about in Nathan's accounting system, and I have posted those transactions to each of the T accounts. So for instance, accounts receivable, there's a $150 debit, accounts receivable, $150 debit. Service revenue, $150 credit, service revenue, $150 credit. Now the nice thing is I'm using Excel for this example, so as I went through and posted my transactions, my balances updated in all of my T accounts and my adjusted trial balance updated. So I also needed to add the new accounts that we started using with those adjusting journal entries, the supplies expense, the wages expense, and the wages payable, to my list of accounts in my trial balance. So whenever you're pulling a trial balance, you need to include all of the accounts, especially the ones with balances. So you want to make sure all accounts are included on your trial balance, and if you have correctly posted all of your transactions to your T accounts and correctly calculated your ending account balances, again, our total debits will equal our total credits. And just a side note, this video does not include transaction number 4 from 4-2. We did not include that transaction, the unearned revenue transaction. Thank you.